Hi, my name is Alejandra Montero on the two goats. The two goats frisking gaily on the rocky steps of a mountain valley, chanced to meet one on each side of a deep channel straw which parted a mixed mountain terrain. The trunk of fallen tree formed the only means of crossing the channels, and on this not even two skiers could have passed each other in safety. The narrow path would have made the rabbits tremble. Not so our goats. Their pride would not permit either to stand aside for the other. One set her foot on the lawn, the other did likewise. In the middle they met or to hour. Neither would give way, and so they would feel to be swept away by the roaring torrent below. Minimal Pairs vowel sounds: cut, cut, white, wise, right, rod, kite, knife, take, stick, cow, cod. Pine, bean, till, bill, tails, fish, they, pay. Big, pig, deer, pill, duck, book. Tall, call, tall, curl, take, cake, totty, cat, tongue, gone, tea, gooey, tap, gap, tool, go, tap, gap, table, gable, thin, fin, file, file, thumb, phone, thick, big. Intonation statements with one stress. She was, we laughed, it stopped. Statements with two stresses. Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping, the car stopped, the weather has changed. The weather has changed. Statements with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. Stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Statements with five stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you wrote yesterday. Special question failing intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interesting polytones, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? The continue, general question rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, failing or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Comments failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Breaks rising intonation. Close the window. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence failing intonation. It's go. It's go. It's good. It's good. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. I am so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Rheumatic rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and 2 tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Responses. I can. Cheese. He will. You should. I cannot. He didn't. The finish to exercise. Bye bye.